mentioned already in my previous video, kung wala pang budget magpunta ng ENT or ng sleep lab para magpa-diagnose or treatment, I just want to make a brief background on my job for. I'm a former sleep technologist, so I'm monitoring those sleep problems including this snoring. So it's a challenge for me to try this nasal strip ng South Moon. So it's a different practice and theory we are applying and using for those medical condition. Previously tried this to my husband. So, it works for him. Nag-reduce yung snoring niya from malakas to weak. For me, honestly speaking, this is a quite replacement for reducing snoring and other nasal congestion at napakamura pa. Para parehas kayo ng partner makatulog ng maayos, check this out in my yellow basket, this nasal strip ng South Moon para happy ang sleeping, happy tayo!